Did you know that millions of people are walking around dangerously deficient in vitamin B12 and they don't even realize it? In the United States, about 6% of individuals under 60 years old are deficient, with the rate increasing to 20% in those over 60 years old. What's even more shocking is that this nutrient, which plays a massive role in your brain function, red blood cell production, and even DNA synthesis, could be the missing piece to unlocking your health. Without enough of it, your body can't function at its best, and the effects could be more serious than you think. Whether you're feeling constantly tired, dealing with brain fog, or experiencing unexplained health issues, B12 deficiency could be the culprit. B12 deficiency is particularly concerning for older adults and those with certain health conditions, making it crucial to pay attention to your body's signals. In this video, we'll highlight 8 warning signs that could indicate your body needs more vitamin B12. Fatigue and weakness. Imagine waking up feeling drained, constantly yawning, or struggling to get out of bed, despite getting 8 hours of sleep. If that sounds familiar, it might be more than just feeling tired. Persistent fatigue and weakness are among the earliest and most common signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency, and here's why. Your body needs B12 to produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your organs. Without enough B12, your body can't produce enough healthy red blood cells. This leads to less oxygen reaching your muscles and tissues, leaving you feeling tired, sluggish, and mentally foggy even after adequate rest. What does this mean for you? If you've been feeling constantly exhausted or weak with no clear reason, and no amount of sleep or lifestyle changes seem to help, it might be time to get your B12 levels checked. Don't just brush it off as normal fatigue. Pale or yellowish skin. Your skin can reveal a lot about your health, and one of the most overlooked yet obvious signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency is pale or yellowish skin. This isn't just about looking tired, it's your body sending up a red flag. So, what's happening inside your body? When there's not enough B12, your body struggles to produce healthy red blood cells. As a result, red blood cells break down too quickly, releasing a yellowish pigment called bilirubin into your system. Bilirubin is the same pigment responsible for causing jaundice, the yellowish tint to the skin seen in newborns or people with liver issues. But with a B12 deficiency, the issue isn't your liver, it's the premature breakdown of red blood cells. This is why pale or jaundiced skin is often mistaken for liver problems, when in reality, it could be a sign your body is crying out for more B12. Mood changes and depression. Your mood and mental well-being are strongly linked to your vitamin B12 levels. You may be surprised to learn that a low B12 level can subtly trigger mood swings, anxiety, or even feelings of depression. Many people are unaware of this connection, but a chronic B12 deficiency can cause unexpected changes in mood. The reason? Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the production of important feel-good brain chemicals, like serotonin. If your ability to produce serotonin slows, it can lead to feelings of anxiety, irritability, or just feeling off. If you've been struggling with unexplained mood swings or increased depression, it might not just be in your head. Sometimes simply adjusting your diet or adding a B12 supplement to your routine can make a significant difference in your mental well-being. Glossitis and mouth pain. You may have heard of glossitis, a term that refers to an inflamed, swollen, and red tongue. This is one of the more visible signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency. Typically, a healthy tongue is smooth, pink, and covered in tiny bumps called papillae. However, when your body doesn't have enough B12, it disrupts red blood cell production, leading to tongue inflammation. You'll notice your tongue may look unusually red, swollen, or even oddly smooth or shiny. But it's not just about appearances. The inflammation can make your tongue feel tender, sore, or painful, making it hard to eat or drink. It doesn't stop there. A B12 deficiency can also cause mouth ulcers, those painful sores that appear inside your cheeks, lips, or under your tongue. If you've had one, you know how uncomfortable they can be. Without enough B12, these tissues can't maintain their normal structure or function, leading to discomfort and pain. Tingling and numbness in your hands or feet. Have you ever felt that strange pins and needles sensation in your hands or feet? Like 1,000 tiny needles poking at you from every direction? It's uncomfortable, a bit annoying, and might even make you worry. But here's the thing, that pins and needles feeling isn't random. It's actually one of the classic signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency. So, why does this happen? Because B12 is essential for your nervous system. It helps maintain the myelin sheath, much like the plastic insulation around electrical wires. It is a protective coating around your nerves that ensures signals travel smoothly. Without enough B12, this sheath can break down, causing tingling, numbness, or burning sensations, often in your hands and feet. If untreated, these symptoms can worsen. Mild tingling can lead to balance, coordination, and mobility issues. A B12 deficiency may damage peripheral nerves, affecting walking, running, and even causing weakness or numbness in your limbs, making it hard to support your body weight. Your reflexes can also be impacted. Irregular heartbeat. An irregular heartbeat or tachycardia, a fast heart rate, can occur due to a B12 deficiency. Low levels of vitamin B12 can lead to megaloblastic anemia, which causes symptoms like dizziness, fatigue, loss of appetite, and heart palpitations. Heart palpitations are those irregular, often unpleasant sensations of your heart pounding or fluttering. In some cases, this can even trigger a panic attack. Your heartbeat is directly linked to anemia, which can be caused by insufficient B12. Over time, low B12 levels can lead to damage to your heart muscles or even cause an enlarged heart. To protect your heart, it's important to increase your vitamin B12 intake and treat the deficiency. Memory loss or cognitive decline. Just like low B12 levels can trigger depression, they also significantly affect cognitive function and memory. Memory loss, disorientation, and even dementia are possible symptoms of a vitamin B12 deficiency. This is important because forgetfulness and memory issues aren't always signs of aging. In fact, they could indicate something that's treatable, a B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 helps maintain healthy brain function. Your brain needs B12 to support nerve cells and create a protective coating around them to ensure nerve signals remain strong and clear. When B12 levels drop too low, communication between brain cells becomes less efficient, slowing down your brain's ability to process information. This can result in brain fog, forgetfulness, and that frustrating feeling of not being able to think clearly. Because B12 deficiency can lead to memory loss and other dementia-like symptoms, there's some evidence suggesting it might be a potential cause of dementia in the elderly. While it's more common with age, a B12 deficiency isn't just limited to older adults. It can affect anyone, especially if you're a vegan or vegetarian, have certain medical conditions, or take medications like metformin, which can lower B12 levels. So, don't brush off those senior moments, especially if they seem more frequent or unusual. It could be a sign of something treatable, like a B12 deficiency. Signs of vitamin B12 deficiency beyond fatigue. The signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency go beyond what we've discussed in this video. It's not just about feeling tired or experiencing brain fog. You might also notice symptoms like shortness of breath, weight loss, vision problems, or even issues with balance and coordination. How to prevent a B12 deficiency? So, how can you prevent a B12 deficiency? The good news is it's easier than you might think. Regular B12 testing. First and foremost, make sure your B12 levels are checked at least once a year. Regular testing helps catch any potential deficiencies early. Include B12-rich foods in your diet. A great way to keep your B12 levels in check is by incorporating foods rich in vitamin B12 into your diet. Think of lean meats, fish, and eggs. But if you're looking for something a little different, why not explore the flavors of organ meats like liver? While liver isn't for everyone, it's one of the most potent natural sources of B12. Consider plant-based options. If you follow a vegan, vegetarian, or plant-based lifestyle, it's essential to pay attention to your B12 intake, since it's primarily found in animal products. However, you can still get B12 from sources like nutritional yeast. Additionally, consider taking B12 supplements to bridge any gaps in your diet. Choose the right B12 supplement. When it comes to supplements, vitamin B12 is available in different forms. One of the most effective is methylcobalamin, often found in sublingual tablets that dissolve under the tongue. This form has been shown to be better absorbed by the body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And to help you in your journey, we have some amazing product links in the description below. Your purchase really helps this channel. Please share your thoughts and questions. Taking care of your vitamin B12 levels is essential, and sharing this video can help others stay informed and healthy too. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.